Hey everyone, this is Scotty from Earning Clicks. Welcome to this video on the Digital Marketing Full Course for 2023. In this full course, we'll be covering topics like what is digital marketing, the tools used in digital marketing, the basic concepts on SEO, Google, Tag Manager, Google Ads, social media marketing, Facebook ads, YouTube, Instagram and Twitter marketing, content marketing, email marketing, affiliate marketing, marketing hacks, digital marketing, skills careers, and much more. In this full course, we will go through all the topics, so without further ado, let's start by talking about digital marketing. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to never miss an update from Earning Clicks. Meet Joey, a digital marketer. He works as the head of digital marketing for Amazon, but how did Joey get here? A few years ago, Joey began to see a large number of opportunities popping up in the field of digital marketing. To begin his entry into the field, he needed to understand what exactly digital marketing was and what was so great about it. First, Joey learned that digital marketing was a form of marketing through which you could advertise to people digitally. Digital marketing leveraged different channels like search engines, websites, social media platforms, emails, and mobile applications. It would give marketers the opportunity to interact with and understand their audience better and to increase the trust in their brand. Digital marketing would also show marketers advertisements to people based on their actions and preferences on the internet while being less expensive than traditional forms of advertising. After understanding the main concepts of digital marketing, Joey realized there was more to digital marketing than he initially thought. There were also many types of digital marketing types, like content marketing, search engine optimization, pay-per-click, social media marketing, email marketing, and affiliate marketing. And once he understood those types, he set up a digital marketing campaign for his uncle's e-commerce website. Let's have a look at what he came up with. First, Joey created content like blogs, videos, infographics, and case studies so that he could generate audience interest in the brand's products or services. This was content marketing. Next, he needed his audience to actually see his content. The first step was to create content on specific search keywords that were relevant to the target audience. Joey would make optimizations on the website and have credible websites linking back to the content, and lo and behold, the website began ranking on the first page of the search results. By continuous optimizations, Joey would continue to improve the ranking and ultimately make the website rank at the first position. This was SEO, or search engine optimization, and Joey could do all of this without spending a single penny. He could also drive traffic to the website with advertisements, but for this, he would have to pay a certain fee each time the ads were clicked. He could have text ads that show up in search engine results, image ads, and video ads that show up in websites, and much more. This was possible with the help of PPC or pay-per-click. However, Joey wasn't done yet. To reach a larger audience, he needed to tap into social media platforms. He would use social media platforms like LinkedIn, YouTube, Facebook and Instagram to advertise the brand's content. He would use these platforms to advertise the brand's products or services with posts, images, videos, and more to bring out the brand story and engage with the brand's audience who spend a lot of time on social media like PBC. He could use the platform to advertise the brand's products or services with text, image, and video ads, which needed to be paid. For that social media marketing, Joey realized that a large amount of the audience weren't visiting the brand's website a second time. He needed to keep them engaged, nurture them to make sure they purchased the product. For this, he would send them emails that help them better understand the products they visited on the website and assist them in the buying process. He would also send emails to advertisers' products or services to potential customers, that is, with email marketing. And finally, although Joey was able to grow the brand's funnel, he wanted more traffic from third-party websites. This could be achieved with affiliate marketing. Affiliates would promote the brand or product to their audiences for a fee with the help of email signups, registrations, conversions, subscriptions, etc. After setting all of this up, Joey had the hardest part of the process to get through. Although Joey had worked really hard on each of these forms of digital marketing, he only had moderate success. That's when Joey realized he had to gain more knowledge and experience, so he decided to get certified and get ahead in his career with the help of Simply Learn. He took up Simply Learn's digital marketing certification and got the skills and training he needed to become an expert digital marketer, and now you know where you too can do the same and grow in your career by clicking on the top right corner. And with that, we've given you an introduction to all the major concepts of digital marketing. This is an introductory video. In the next video, I will guide you further about digital marketing. Until then, thanks for watching.